Social media is likely the greatest revolution in the history of communication. It allows people to connect both locally and globally, which has led it to grow exponentially. This growth has led to an increased amount of data mining. Social media outlets vary in how they display information, whether it be through text or pictures. Therefore, there's a lot of incentive for researchers to find patterns among the different social media outlets. The question is, to what extent is the collection of people's data morally correct? There are many nuances to address in the ethical conflicts surrounding data mining. I will be exploring this topic by analyzing research related to how data mining can help tourists decide where to travel, assist transportation planning, saving lives during disasters, and how it can assist in gaining insight into market requirements and business intelligence. One study conducted by Kruger National Park in South Africa suggests that data mining is a good thing, as it can help as collecting people's data can be used to understand tourist preferences for nature-based trips. The study consisted of both a survey and an analysis of thousands of pictures posted on Instagram and Flickr around the same period that the survey was taken. The study concluded that there are no significant differences between the preferences of the tourists they met in person compared to those they found on social media. This shows how social media data mining can be useful for tourists in traveling, as it can help minimize costs and it can advertise to you to better suit your needs. In addition to helping boost tourism, data mining can also help to boost the land itself. A study conducted by researchers at the China University of Geosciences states how mining people's data can help in many fields, including transportation planning, activity prediction, supermarket location decision, resource allocation in distributed and communication systems, etc. The findings of the study suggest that mining social media data can be very useful for applications like transportation planning, resource scheduling for computation, and communication system. This shows that data mining not only helps people in deciding where to go touring, but it also helps to boost the areas in which the tourism occurs itself. Another study suggests that social media data mining is important as it can be used during natural disasters. An article written by the researchers from Gajah Mada University focuses on how effective and useful social media can be during disasters and crises. Traditionally, information during disasters usually goes from emergency relief to the public. However, nowadays, with the current advancement in technology and the power of social media, information is able to get to the public within seconds, and everybody is updated with the current information at all times, especially when other forms of communication go down as a result of the disaster. Being able to collect data in these situations is vital so that the first responders know how and where they need to work. Furthermore, the article points how important mining data can be, as it can be the reason somebody lives or dies. Being able to pinpoint exactly where people are during a disaster is a major advancement, and without the collection of data, it could result in a major increase in fatalities during disasters. Although there are many benefits to social media data mining, it is also important to take a look at the negatives of people's data being readily available to businesses. Researchers from the University of Leeds understand this in their study and take the perspective of social media users to try and get their opinion on others mining their information. They state how a big fear within users is how their information is used, which the authors state should have more transparency due to the fact that this private information could be going anywhere and could cause many issues. Furthermore, social media data mining is a major contributor when it comes to the fake online profiles, spam emails, business fraud, etc. Online criminals target social media platforms as they know those accounts are filled with people's personal and private information. Therefore, they attempt to gather this information with the intent of blackmailing or impersonating people. However, although there are many risks that come with the creation of social media accounts, the benefits far outweigh the negatives. Researchers from Harvard University studied how advances in natural language processing and machine learning have caused researchers to leverage social media as a low-cost, low-burden method for measuring various physiosocial factors. They state how social media provides a new way to obtain information on large populations and may yield research measures that are less reliant on self-reporting or conscious self-insight. This shows how even though there are many risks that come with having a social media account, there are many benefits that data being available. There are many benefits of the data being available, as it can not only benefit you, but an entire population. As can be seen, there are many benefits of having a social media account, not only for you, but also for those around you. The data collected from social media accounts can also benefit people in many ways, including helping tourists decide which place they want to travel to next, assisting with transportation planning, helping locate people in finding areas that are damaged during disasters, and gaining insight into market requirement and businesses intelligence. All in all, social media data mining is essential in providing users with the best experience and best life possible in the modern technological era that we live in today. Thank you.